All right, let's get back to the forecast here where we're tracking quite a bit heading our way over the next 24 hours. Rain, snow and wind all in the forecast. And we'll start by taking a look at the winds we're currently dealing with actually here in Kern County. You see those red areas. That's where winds are gusting as high as 40-50 miles per hour already. And those are going to stay strong as we head through the night tonight and into the day tomorrow. So Wednesday, 5 p.m. here, I'm showing you where you see those brown shaded areas. That's where we could see winds at 60, even as high as 70 miles per hour. And winds could even approach 40 or even 50 miles per hour through our mountain areas. So lots of wind. And about that time tomorrow is when we're going to start to see some rain and snow showing up on future casts as well. So we'll put that in motion here. Staying dry through the night tonight, just some cloud cover and maybe a little tiny bit of fog, but I think more clouds than anything else. 5 p.m. starting to see just a little bit of light rain and snow moving in. As we head later into the evening, that's when that really starts to get going here in Kern. And initially, it's mainly going to be against the eastern mountains. You see you've got a little mix of rain and snow by midnight, and then we're going to see it shift more to the south and start to die out as we head late into tomorrow night into early Thursday. So doesn't look like a lot of rain or a lot of snow to be expected with this one, but could be enough to be a nuisance to travelers, and that's why we'll watch this very carefully. So rain totals, much like our last couple of systems, low. A couple hundredths to maybe a tenth of an inch here in the valley, and then just a mix of rain and snow expected up in our mountain areas. Areas above about 4,000 feet will see mostly snow because initially it really looks to be about where the rain-snow line is, right around the 4,000-foot mark. Now, late into the night, we'll see that drop as low as about 2,000 feet, but that's going to be very late into the night, and most of the activity will be done by then. So really, the accumulating snow is more likely above about 4,000 feet. Areas lower than that could definitely see some snowflakes, but accumulations should pretty low. So here's what we're looking at for snow at this point. Over the passes to Tehachapi toward the Grapevine, just like the last system, a trace to 2 inches. At this point, I do think it's probably closer to that trace, which would not have a big impact on travel. But if you do manage to get an inch or two on the road surface, it could definitely slow things down, which is why the winter weather advisory has been issued and why we'll keep a close eye on this system. So tonight and tomorrow, nothing really happening except gusty winds in the valley, in the desert. Everything will really pick up as we head into tomorrow night. So into the 7-day forecast we go, and we'll kind of see that as we head toward about 8 p.m. we start to get at least some minor rain chances here in the valley. Prior to that, not too much going on here in Bakersfield. And as we head through the forecast, we'll keep an eye on some minor rain chances Saturday and Sunday and then Tuesday next week as well. But those really don't look that promising either. We don't have any signs of a really big, impactful storm system heading our way anytime soon. Mountain areas, again, on the backside of that storm system, even Lake Isabella could fall below freezing, meaning some lingering snowflakes there, but not a lot of accumulation. Quite a bit cooler up in the mountains of Tehachapi and Fraser Park, and that's where we'll keep the closest eye.